My name is Eugene Higgs, and this presentation will be about reflection paper 5. This paper talks about the main styles of Chinese calligraphy scripts. First, we have the oracle script, the seal script, the clerical script, regular script, cursive script, and running script. First, we have the oracle script. This is the oldest script and it is dated back to the 11th century. These scripts were usually written on the shells of turtles and the bones of animals. The style of this script is defined as pictures, and you can see it in the example how some of the characters look like animals and other different things in the world. Next, we have the seal script. The seal script was created in the Qin dynasty, and it is a more redefined version of the oracle script. Also, this during this time, the official script was also developed the same time as the seal script, and which made the handwriting more rectangular or square shapes, as you can see inside the example to the left. Next, we have the clerical script. The clerical script began in the Han Dynasty, and this is a more matured and evolved version of the seal script. This script can be described as brisk and vibrant, and also this script was used to write the Mawandi silk manuscript, which was written more than 2200 years ago. Next, we have the regular script. This script is the most developed and mature script of all, and is the most common script around the world. This script is a combination of the seal and clerical script due to the characteristics of the rectangle shapes and the round shapes from the seal and clerical script. Next, we have the cursive script. During the Wei-Jin dynasty, this was labeled as the period of transformation, and during this period, the cursive script and running script both were developed and improved. Looking at the example, you can see that the cursive script is very different from the other scripts. When writing this script, you don't take your brush off of the paper and you just basically let your hand flow and write the characters down without removing the brush. Next we have the running script. The running script is basically exactly like the cursive script, but with this script you can take your brush off the paper sometimes. And with this script, it gives you the same feeling as the cursive script of just letting everything flow in a calm, peaceful aura around writing the script down. Finally, my thoughts on Chinese calligraphy. I feel as though Chinese calligraphy is a great class that taught me so much about the Chinese calligraphy, from the characters, how they are drawn, um, the different scripts, the Chinese calendar, the history behind how the brushes are made, the ink and the ink holder are made. Also, I think that this class helped me understand a lot more about the Chinese culture because I've always been interested in it, and just taking this class has answered a lot of questions. Uh, or it helped me understand how Chinese calligraphy can be therapeutic because it teaches you to have patience and be calm when you're writing down these characters. Because You don't want to mess up on anything. You want everything to be perfect when writing everything down. And this class has really gave me more patience and allowed me to be more calm whenever I'm doing the assignments in this class. And that is the end of my presentation. Thank you.